Good morning, students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 8 and 9 from exercise 11.4, chapter 11, perimeter and area. In question number 8, question is Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeter. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular field of radius 4 centimeter. Circular pipe and cut off the length of the rope, and then she wrapped that rope, she wrapped it around a squared box of side 4 centimeter. You can see a square box is also there. With this rope, by using this rope, she has wrapped a square field of radius 4 centimeter. Did she have any cord left? That means what will be the perimeter or the circumference of this circular field, and you have to find the perimeter of the square field. After wrapping by using this cord, when she was wrapping this square field, the question is there any cord left? That means is the perimeter of the circle is the circumference of the circle is more than the circumference of the square? We have to find this only. You have to use pi is equal to 3.14. It is given pi is equal to 3.14. So we have to use in place of pi, we will not use 22 by 7 here, we will use 3.14. Now look at the diagram clearly. So the radius of the, when we are wrapping the cord with around the circular pipe, we need the circumference. Now for circle, for solution, for circular field, radius equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore circumference two pi r, circumference equal to 2 pi r. Now 2 pi r, value of pi 3.14 into 4, radius 4 centimeter. Now if we multiply it, we will get 25.12 centimeter. Now for the rectangular field, the square field, again around a square of side 4 centimeter, perimeter equal to 4 into side, so 4 into side, that is 4 into 4 centimeter, 16 centimeter. Now when we are wrapping with in a circular field, the length of the rope was 25.12 circular pipe. The length was, then afterwards the circular square field, it is a 16 centimeter rope will be required. Then the remaining cord, it is less than the length of this one, so therefore remaining cord, so the length of the remaining cord 25.12 centimeter it was when it was wrapped around a pipe, and the length is when it was wrapped around a square, it is 16. So if you subtract this, you will get 9.12 centimeter. So how much cord will be left? Thus she has left, therefore she has left 9.12 centimeter chord. And this is the answer of this sum. Easy sum, but you need to practice for the calculation also. Next sum is now question number 9. In this question it is given that the adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle of the field. We have to find sequence is there. Area, question number 1, area of the area of the whole land, that means you have to find the area of the rectangular field. Second, area of the flower bed, that means you have to find the area of the circular field. Next, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. You have to find area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, that means you have to find the area of the rectangular lawn, then you have to subtract the area of the circular field from the area of the land. Now next question is the circumference of the flower bed, that means circular circumference of the circular field. This all you have to find out from this question. Now slowly one by one we will do. First of all, you have to find the area of the rectangular field. The whole land is a rectangular field, so length of the rectangular field 10 meter, breadth of the rectangular field 5 meter, and radius, whatever given here we have written first, and radius of the circular field is flower bed is 2 meter. Now area of the whole land, you know, 10 meter, length into breadth 10 into 5 meter square, that is 50 meter square. Area of the flower bed pi r square, because it is circle, and value of pi I have taken 3.14. R square means 2 into 2, because radius is given 2 meter, so 2 meter into 2 meter. If we multiply this, we will get 12.56 meter square. Next question is area of the whole land excluding the flower bed. Area of the land excluding flower bed. So area of the whole land was 50 and the area of flower bed was 12.56 meter square. Subtract and you will get 37.44 meter square, as it was 50.00 minus 12.56. If you subtract, you will get this value. Next, circumference of the flower bed 2 pi r, 2 value of pi 3.14, r 2 meter, so it will be 4 into 3.14, same as this one, so 12.56 meter. So these are the answers of this question. One by one you will give the answer sequence according to the sequence. I hope the sum will be easy for you. First of all, you try to understand the question properly and practice it. Thank you, students.